How Facebook retargeting can help ensure positive ROI for your business. In this tutorial, you're going to learn what Facebook retargeting is and how it can help you ensure a positive return on your investment. You've probably noticed this before. You visit a website for a few seconds, let's call it website 1, read an article or something, and then close the tab on your browser. When you visit a few more websites, you'll notice website 1's ad following you around. Have you experienced this? If yes, then you've been retargeted by website 1. Retargeting is probably the most powerful tool that Facebook gives to its advertisers. To get started, all you have to do is install a piece of code known as the Facebook Pixel on your website. When the pixel is up and running, you can then track the people who have visited your website. In your Facebook Ads Manager, when you set up your ad sets, there is a section that allows you to create a custom audience. You can create a custom audience of your website traffic and then target them with your ads. Since they've been on your website before, they would be familiar with your brand. With this in mind, you need to create more specific ads that will tell them what you want them to do on your website. If you want them to sign up to a mailing list, or sign up for a free trial, or buy your product, say that in your ad. Don't be vague with your call to action. Retargeting a warm or hot audience is not only highly effective, it's also very efficient cost-wise. Unlike cold audiences who've never interacted with your brand before, warm and hot audiences would be more receptive to your offer. You just need to hook them in with the right kind of offer that will address their pain points. Make your ad as relevant and as personalized as possible, so the person viewing your ad will engage and accept your offer. The more people engage with your ad, the lower your costs. With Facebook retargeting, you not only recapture the attention of the people who visited your site before, but you also get more opportunities to keep your brand fresh in their minds. Remember, there's a lot of competition on the internet, so the more they view your brand as a trustworthy authority, the higher the chances they'll buy your products or use your services.